Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of the subconscious mind and manifestation. Buckle up, because we're about to explore how you can reprogram your subconscious mind and watch as your wildest desires come to life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our mind-expanding content. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding what the subconscious mind is all about. You see, our subconscious mind is like the hidden powerhouse within us. It's the part of our mind that operates below our conscious awareness, influencing our thoughts, behaviors, and even our outcomes. Imagine it as the command center of your life. What's fascinating is that our subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination. It takes in every thought and belief, and its sole mission is to make them a reality. That's where manifestation comes into play. Now, let's talk about reprogramming this incredible tool. Just like updating the software on your devices, you can update the software of your mind. The first step is awareness. You need to become aware of your current thought patterns and beliefs that might be holding you back. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with positive, empowering thoughts. This involves consistent affirmations, visualization, and meditation. You're essentially rewiring your brain to focus on what you want, rather than what you fear. Now, let's delve into some practical techniques to reprogram that subconscious powerhouse. First up, affirmations. These are positive statements you repeat to yourself daily. Remember, they must be in the present tense, as if your desire is already a reality. For instance, I am confident and successful in everything I do. Next, visualization. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself living your desired life. Feel the emotions, see the details, and really immerse yourself in the experience. And don't forget about gratitude. Expressing gratitude for what you already have creates a positive energy flow that attracts more goodness into your life. Remember, the key to manifestation is consistency, patience, and unwavering belief in yourself. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is like planting seeds of positivity that will eventually blossom into the reality you desire. As we wrap up this mind-expanding journey, I encourage each one of you to embark on this incredible adventure of self-discovery and manifestation. Let's unlock the power within us and watch our dreams come true. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening exploration of the subconscious mind and manifestation. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow manifestors. And as always, stay positive, stay curious, and keep manifesting those dreams.